Google is reintroducing the Pixel XL model with the new Pixel 9 series, launching on August 13th. The series will include three models: the standard Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and a new Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is a larger and more powerful version. This move shows that Google is expanding its product line like Apple and Samsung have in recent years. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to be a high-performance device. The new Pixel 9 Pro XL will be compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We'll look at how well the Pixel 9 Pro XL stacks up against the Pro Max. This comparison is based on early information, leaks, and rumors. We'll update with official details and benchmarks once we have the Pixel 9 Pro XL in hand. Google's strategy with the Pixel 9 Pro XL is to offer a more compact Pro model alongside the standard Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is taking the place of the Pixel 8 Pro. Think of it as Google's version of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both phones will probably be similar in size, weight, and materials, usually using glass and metal. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max uses titanium, it's not clear if Google will use titanium for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. However, both phones should feel pretty similar to use. The main design difference will be in the camera setups. Apple uses a square camera design that started with the iPhone 12, while Google sticks with the camera bar design from the Pixel 6. Both phones are expected to have similar display features. They'll both have flat AMOLED screens that are 6.7 inches across, with refresh rates that can go from 1 to 120 Hz. There might be differences in screen brightness, but we'll need tests to be sure. The Pixel 8 Pro had excellent brightness, so we expect the Pixel 9 Pro XL will too. For resolution, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels, giving it about 460 pixels per inch. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have a resolution of 1344 by 2992 pixels, which means around 487 pixels per inch. Both should have very sharp displays. For protection, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to use Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max has its own ceramic shield. AI technology is becoming more important in smartphones. Although Apple is behind in this area, they plan to add more AI features with the iPhone 16 series and iOS 18. Google is ahead with its AI-focused approach, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to use the fourth generation of Google's Tensor chip, the G4, which will emphasize AI features. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has the A17 Pro chip, which doesn't have special AI hardware. However, we think the A17 Pro will still perform better than the G4 in benchmark tests. We'll share exact performance details after testing the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Early leaks from Geekbench suggest that the Pixel 9 and Tensor G4 have about a 10% performance boost over the previous models. The G4 has scores of 1950 for single-core and 4655 for multi-core performance. In comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max scored 2958 and 7288 in the same Geekbench test, which is much higher than the Tensor G4. However, benchmarks only show part of the picture. We'll need more hands-on testing to fully understand the Pixel 9 Pro XL's everyday performance. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have more RAM options, with choices of 12 or 16 gigabytes compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 8 gigabytes. However, the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts with a higher base storage of 256 gigabytes. There are rumors of a 1 terabyte version of the Pixel 9 Pro XL with 16 gigabytes of RAM. But even if this happens, it probably won't make a big difference in performance. Having 1 terabyte of storage is definitely attractive, especially as microSD slots become less common. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have the same great camera setup as the Pixel 8 Pro. This includes a strong triple camera system with a 50 megapixel main lens, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens that can zoom in 5 times optically. The real improvements in the Pixel 9 Pro XL are expected to come from advanced AI features that will enhance photo editing. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has its own triple camera system with a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. While the specs give us an idea of performance, we'll wait to make a final judgment until we can compare both devices directly. For now, you can check out comparisons between the Pixel 8 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as the camera hardware in the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to be similar. There are also rumors that the Pixel 9 Pro XL might upgrade the front camera from 10.5 megapixels to a new 42 megapixel version. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have a solid 5100 mAh battery, which is good, but not groundbreaking. The previous model had a slightly smaller 5050 mAh battery, and factors like the Tensor G4 chip's efficiency and the display technology will affect battery life. We'll need benchmarks to give a clear picture. Some rumors say the battery might stay at 5050 mAh, but a 50 mAh difference probably won't make much impact. In comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max does well with its 44422 mAh battery, thanks to iOS and app optimization, which often gives better battery life than Android phones with similar battery sizes. When it comes to charging speeds, neither phone is especially fast. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports up to 27 watts of charging, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to offer up to 33 watts. This makes them not the fastest options available. On one side, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is currently the leader in the iOS world. On the other hand, the upcoming iPhone 16 series is expected to bring some AI improvements that Apple has been missing. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will be Google's top-of-the-line ultra-premium phone. It offers an appealing package with 7 years of support, many AI features, and more upgrades that will come in the future. Since the Pixel 9 Pro XL hasn't been officially announced yet, we can't fully recommend it just yet. However, if you're looking for a top Android phone with a great camera and aren't focused on gaming, it's worth considering. You likely won't regret your choice, but make sure you don't plan on doing heavy gaming. Let us know your thoughts on both devices in the comments. For more updates, check out our channel. See you next time, and take care.